Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to track shots on the 18 Birdies app. This is a very helpful feature if you want to keep a record of your shots while you play. So first open up the 18 Birdies app on your phone and sign into your account. So once you're in, tap the play button at the bottom of the screen. Once you're in, tap the play button at the bottom of the screen. So after that, select start round, and on the next screen, choose your round type, scoring mode, tee selection, and any other settings that you want. Then tap start round. So you can add other players to your group if needed, or just continue by tapping play. So once your round begins, look for the track shot option on the course screen and tap it. So from there, enter the shot details by choosing the lie, like tee, fairway, or sand, and then pick the club that you use. So after that, place the shot on the map by moving the marker to the correct spot. So when everything looks right, tap save shot to record it. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.